Hello, today I'm playing Roblox. I'm gonna secretly join one of my friends and see if they know that I joined them. So let's join their game and see if they know that I joined. Shh, I'm gonna be stealthy. Stealthy time. I'm about to buy something really good for my Roblox characters. I need someone to donate 5 Robux to me though. Go, 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 jump, 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 jump. I made this Roblox game before. Happy birthday! I don't celebrate birthdays. It's just a game. I don't care. It's not even my real thing. I'm just gonna go in there, collect my present, and leave. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay, and I'm gonna take this, and bye. I got a new skateboard! I don't even know how to ride a skateboard in real life. How do you ride a skateboard in real life? It's so... Oh my god. Oh my god, that's Alessia. She's riding a motorcycle? Oh my god. Dreaming? What do you mean dreaming? Why is she dreaming? Alright, where do I go? Skate park. Yo, he's following me. Oh my god. Yo, look at this. Oh, doing some sick moves. Trying to break my neck or something right now. I don't know, what was that? Why can you jump to the skateboard and it doesn't fall off? Look at this. Like, my feet are glued to the skateboard right now. I don't know what's happening. Where do I go? The giant skate park. Ooh. I think they already realized that I'm here, so. Anyways, I'm just gonna play in the game. Well, it's so funny though. How they just she doesn't even Alessia doesn't even look like her real skin. Joseph looks exactly the same. Whoa! Jeez! Whoa! Oh my god, that would hurt. That would hurt in real life. Ouch. Where'd I go? I seriously have to go down there? Fine. Ouch! Oh my god. Follow the arrow? What? Oh my god. I hate riding a skateboard. Why do you have to make me do this game? Why? Ouch. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. I'm just gonna go forward and we're gonna follow the annoying arrow that keeps putting me into death traps. How do you grow that high in real life? Like, how'd you do that? This game has no logic. I got that one. Where does it go now? Yes. Where does this dumb arrow want me to go? I don't want to do this anymore. I just want to go now. I'm only 10. Oh my god. It says I'm 10, and I'm actually 10 in real life. How many times have I said real life? I'm going to stop saying real life. Starting now. I would love to do this one day. Where? Yeah, you know what? You know what? You know what? There we go. I'm not getting on that thing anymore. It's too annoying. It hurts my hand. Oh, why did I ditch that thing? That would have been so cool. What's wrong with me? You leveled up. Okay, I leveled up. I'm resetting my character because I don't want to walk there. I'm too lazy. I'm way too lazy. Okay, my home. Super close. They're 21 years old? Oh my god. Joseph's older. That's funny. They are twins in real life though, so. Dang it, I said real life. You know, I don't care. What are you gonna give me this time? It's been, how am I, wow. Wow. You want me to throw rocks at people? Sure, I'll do it. Hold on. How are you flying? Take this. Take this. How are you flying? How are you flying? How are you flying? How? This makes no sense. Oh, I'm inside the house. Doing some more stuff. Bro. Friend. This is exactly what I'm gonna buy. The Robloxian 2.0. I like it. I don't know why. I just like it. I like it so much. What did they want me to do with this? I'll shoot it at my bro. Shoot it at my bro then. Die. Want me to go outside with it? Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I got one. It's gonna come. This is like whack-a-mole, but with the thing. Is that all? Hello? Guess that's all. What's that? You found one of 6 eggs. What? Go into the front yard. Okay. Someone's playing black basketball with the thing I want so badly. Anyways, yeah. That's the end of the video. See you later.